In today's video, we are going to show you how to sell a stock on XTB. Whether you want to sell an ETF or any other asset to take profit or cut losses, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the dashboard, I want you to hover to the left side area wherein you can see the My Trades. This will open up the trading panel. You will see a list of your active trades and select the asset that you want to sell. In our previous video, we've covered how to buy and sell the S&P 500 ETF, and we can see it here, which is going to be the US 500. I will double click on it so that it will open a new window. Now, instead of clicking the buy button, select the sell, because that means you believe the price will go down and you want to plan to buy it back later at a lower price. And before confirming, you need to choose the trade size, lot size or number of units or volume, set a stop loss if you wanted, or set a take profit. It's up to you. Okay? Then click the confirm button. Your short position is now open here. Now, please keep in mind that short selling involves higher risks. If you are a beginner, consider using a demo account first. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you sell on XTB, whether you're closing a trade or opening a short position. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.